Buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna clean the interior. Like you see here, it's really dirty everywhere, and we install a backup camera system. So I stripped out the whole interior, and what looks like just the dash stays in there. Everything is laying in here, so we can clean it really good. All the trims and everything. Seats get new covers, and this needs really a lot of cleaning. Right there you can see how it looked before. Yeah, we will see how clean we can get this, and especially this, something that's really disgusting in there. What we get it cleaned and make it look good again. And yeah, so we're gonna clean that, and then we're gonna install everything back. So that is what it looks like under the carpet. And yeah, so that's what the interior looks like now. So everything is cleaned, and first step is we're gonna install a headliner. So here we got the headliner. It's cleaned already and ready to get reinstalled. So that's what it looks like back in here. And yeah, first of all we have to take all this out to make some room, and then we start modifying the back here. Yeah, everything in the front is still out, but we're gonna assemble that tomorrow. First of all, we need to clean the whole bus. Okay, so I removed the shelves and got all the plates down here out, and now we need to clean everything. Yeah, so clean everything and prepare it to install some other things. So we start with the vacuum cleaner, give it a rough clean right quick, and then we have to scrub all the walls because we have to glue yeah, some plates in here because of that stuff. Maybe some glue on here. Yeah, we want to do a window in this side here, so we do everything except for this side here. Okay, so it's cleaned now. So all the valves are cleaned, so adhesive and all that stuff can stick to it. You're gonna put a window in this wall too, and yeah, we have to get the ground plate, get this loose, lift it up, because our battery is coming in right here under the bed frame, and we need to put some wiring from the alternator through here, or from the other battery through here, and we're going underneath the plate. So in order to get our battery cable in, I found this place right here, this rubber here. So we do the hole in here, stick our cable through here, and then we're going through the middle here, and then back through the wall, and yeah, then we see the rest. So we got our power cable here in the engine bay. Should be enough. Yeah, we mount it later. It's coming through here, so we drill a little hole. So this is a really tight fit, so it's sealed. That stays on here like this. And now we're going through here, put it with tape down, and wire it to the back there. So we fixed our cable here. It's going through here, coming out there. But this is all covered later from the wall. And going down here, and here it's going up through the plate already. So now we get the plate back in. So that's what it looks like. Comes in, comes right out here. Yeah, so like here's gonna be the wall from the bed. Battery is gonna place right here probably. So this is gonna go right on the battery. So we still have a little bit of cable left to have a little bit of plate to place the battery in the right position. So here I'm installing my display for the rear view, for the backup camera, and yeah, so I drilled a hole in the dash right there. Cables are coming through here. Yeah, so and this one is gonna cover the whole up to the tiny section right there. So that's how it sits later on, so you can perfectly see it. So that's the point you're looking at the dash then, and yeah. So pretty good. If you don't need it, it's going away. It just looks like that. yeah, you can see this bottom here from the outside, but yeah, I don't really care about that because there's no place where else I can put it. Okay, so yeah, so we got the video cable back to the back of the car and the power. So we're going to the radio to get the 15 from the ignition. So if you turn on the ignition, the display turns on too. So that's what the interior looks now. So everything is clean, back installed. The seats look also pretty nice, better than before. Yeah, everything pretty nice and clean. So that's from the back of the truck, and that's where we're gonna install the backup camera, right in that space there, because it just fits perfect in there. So that's what it looks like with the camera mounted there. We drilled a big hole to get our connections through there. Now we're gonna install it at the back of the car again. Okay, that's what it looks like now mounted on the car. And now we still have to get our power cable through here and connect it. That's the connection on the brake light, on the rear light. So camera is installed right there. So that's what it looks when you're driving. So you don't see it at all. You just push on the button. The display pops up like this. So that's basically your side. You put it in reverse. Display comes in and shows you where you're going. Cannot really see it, but yeah, I can see it and it just looks fine. It's a good image. Yeah, you also have lines on there where you're going. Yeah, so, and it's pretty much in the center of the car. Yeah, a little bit more to the left side, but yeah, that should be accurate. Alright buddies, that's it for the video for today. Just the whole cleaning process and everything, and the installation of the reverse camera, and the next part is coming next week. See you then.